Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is arrange the digits in ascending order. Arrange the digit, arrange the biggest value in ascending order. So let's start. There are four biggest value in thousand place, 10,000 place. Look here, unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. In this lesson, we learn about how to unit 100, 1000 and 10,000 value arrange in ascending order. We arrange the biggest value in ascending order. So let's start. In ascending order, values start from the smallest to the biggest. Smallest to the biggest. In my previous video, I will tell you. I had told about the ascending and descending definitions. If you press my channel, then you will see my all the video. Start from the 1000, 10,000 place, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. In 10,000 place, the smallest value is 1. Smallest value is 1. In ascending order, smallest to the biggest. The biggest value is 2, 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3. In thousand place, we see what is the smallest. In thousand place, 1, 1, 1, 1. They all the same. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now the turn in 100 place. The value in 100 place 9, 9, 5 and 6. In ascending order, smallest to the biggest. 5 is smallest in all values. 100 place, we write 5. We write 5 with their related family. 2, 1, 5, 9. 2, 1, 5. 5 is the smallest. 5. And the biggest is 6. 6 right here. And the 9. Smallest to the biggest. But 1, 1 is also smallest. Right here. Now the 10 is 10 place. In 10 place, 2, 6, 9, 9. The smallest value is 2. The smallest value is 2. We write 2 with their related family. 2. Biggest is 6. 6. 2, 1, 9, 6. 1, 2, 1, 9, 6. In 10 place, 2 is smallest, 6 is greater than smallest. In ascending order, smallest to the biggest. 9, 9 all the same. 2, 1, 5, 9. 2, 1, 5, 9 here. 2, 1, 6, 9. Now turn in unit place. 6, 2, 4, 7. In unit place, 2 is the smallest. We write 2 with their family. 21962. 21962. 21962. Smallest, 2 is smallest in unit place. In unit place, 2 is smallest, 4 is greater than smallest, then 2. We write 4 with their family. 21594. 21594. 4 in unit place, 2 is smallest, 4 is greater, then 6 is greater, then 4. Now turn is 6. 11926. 11926. 2, 4, 6. Smallest to the biggest. The biggest is 7. 21697. 21697. It's just like a game. $11,926 small. 21,594 is biggest to the smallest. 21,697 is biggest then previous biggest. 21,962 it's biggest then previous biggest. I hope you will understand. Arrange the digits in ascending order. Arrange the digits in ascending order. Unit place, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place and 10,000 place. It's just like a game. In descending order, ascending order, smallest to the biggest, smallest to the biggest. But it opposite in descending order, biggest to the smallest, biggest to the smallest. We write here first of all biggest value 21962. 21697. 21594. 11926. It's a descending order. Biggest to the smallest, biggest to the smallest. We arrange the value ascending order, then to the descending order. I hope you will understand the concept of ascending and descending order, the biggest value. If you like the video, please press the subscribe button.